Ano?
Hindi ba kat-stick?
Food ng boy? It's so big.
Okay, sige.
Good morning, guys. Today is March 3. And for sure, late nyo ito mapapanood. As always naman, pasensya. Si Holly gusto daw ng cornflakes. Huh? You say good morning?
Good morning.
Good morning. Kaalis na, kanina umalis na yung mga bata.
It's heavy, that one.
Is it heavy? Here. Okay, gawan ko muna ito ng breakfast. Maglalabas sana ako.
Sitting here.
Ha? Maglalabas sana ako
I
ngayon.
am sitting right here.
Kasi ang dami naming labahan kasi diba kahapon kararating lang
And
namin
get my spoon, Barbie.
galing Renmark.
Mom, Dad, don't get my
Ang daldal ng
don't get
kasi-
my Barbie one.
Okay.
Only the Barbie one.
Okay. Gusto niya raw Barbie yung kanyang spoon. Pangit yung weather, malamig sa labas.
I want the
This
spoon.
one?
Yeah.
Okay, I get sugar. You want sugar?
Yes, please. Mom, you don't make a little milk.
Okay, I'll put more.
No, why do you do that?
Because it's not done yet. So, hindi ako makakapaglaba kasi makulimlim sa labas. So, mamaya tatawagan ako ni Jan. Where are we going? Later when Daddy called us. Where are we going?
A passion.
Pasha, tingnan mo yung kanya. Napakaliit.
Hey,
mo.
Mom.
Ha? Sorry.
Spoon.
Ano sasabihin?
Cute.
In Tagalog, salamat.
Salamat po.
Oh, good. So, ready na kami anytime na tumawag si Jan. Good. Kain na rin ako ng breakfast kasi hindi pa naman tumatawag si Jan. So, mag-cereal din ako. Eto, hindi ko na alam kung ano to, pero alam ko Kellogg's yung brand niya. And meron pa kaming plums, yung last grocery ko, okay pa sila. So, eto na ilagay ko dito sa aking cereal. Ito ba, oh? Yeah.
That's so good.
Yeah, it's so good. Ito ba ang itsura niya, oh? Ganyan. Basta alam ko, masarap siya.
That's so good.
And, wala na yung aking almond. Try ko muna.
I told you to buy more. On my phone.
Okay pa siya. Oh, kunti na lang. Walay na. Ubos na baba. And yung aking mga nuts.
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 Do you buy more?
Ha?
Do you buy more nuts? More.
Dapat-
Nuts.
Hindi ko pa siya nalalagay sa lalagyan niya. Ito yung binili ko sa Kohl's. Ano ba to?
I buy this. Mom.
Pro Power.
I buy this.
Okay. So, meron siyang almonds. Tapos, ano pa ba? Kasi basta marami siyang nuts. Merong cashew nuts.
Good.
And merong mga dry fruits. Ganito ang itsura niya, guys. Ayan. Pro Power ang tawag. So, maglagay tayo niyan. Maglagay tayo ng chia seed. Ibudbud na lang natin. And ito yung plum. Yung nabili kong plum, hindi siya red.
That's a plum. That's little.
Oo, kasi alam niya yung plum is red.
I want red plums.
You like red?
I like red and pink.
Kasi may red and
Mom!
yellow. Okay.
Is that the box, Mom?
Parang kulang yung gatas ko. Wala na ba ako nito? Okay. I got a new one. Ito pala. Naalala ko, bumili pala ako. Kaso hindi siya malamig. Shake mo. It's not cold, Baba. Lagay natin yung heater, Baba. Mainit. Malamig.
No. I want to take that almond.
Oh, do you want some?
Yeah.
Okay. So, ito na yung
Get
breakfast
those
ko.
in my hand.
So, say, kain.
Kain.
Kanina ka pa kumakain, si Mami pala. Try muna kami ng breakfast. You want orange juice, Baba?
What's this?
No. You want orange juice? Huh?
Please.
Yes, please. Oh. Guys, ano na, 1:35 na. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, tatawagan ako ni Jen. Hindi naman ako tinawagan. What happened, Han? I thought you were gonna ring me.
I put on butter.
So, what you been doing?
Put the roast spice in the pots.
Okay. Merong, what do you call that, Han?
Millipede.
Millipig. So, wale. So, when you gonna put?
Probably about through.
Today. Kasi mag-start ulit si Jan mag-fishing. Kailan ba yung nag-stop siya? Parang it's more than a month, right, Han?
Yeah.
Oh, more than a month siya hindi nag-fishing. So, ngayon okay na. Pwede na ulit silang mag-fishing. And si Jan, ilalagay niya na yung mga pot sa boat daw mamaya. So, inayos lang daw nila yung mga ropes tsaka floats. So, Baba, so kaya pa hindi niya pa ako tinawagan kasi hindi pa naman nila nilalagay sa boat yung mga pots. So, diba? Sabi ni Holly, I thought we're going to Pashed. Later daw, Baba. Nag-edit na lang ako habang hinintay ko yung tawag na wala namang tumawag sa akin. And nilabas ko na yung, eto, sausages. Eto yung dinner namin tonight. Eto yung rinipak namin ni Jan nung nakaraan. So, 7 pieces sa isang ganito. So, dalawa yung kinuha ko. So, may 14 pieces tayong sausages. So, yan ang dinner namin mamaya. What's your channel, Baba? What do you call that?
Disney Gina.
Yeah, yung Disney Junior. And tingnan nyo yung fruits namin. Ang dami naming fruits from yesterday na mga nabili. And may tira pa rin naman kasi ako that time nung umalis kami. Kaya parang sobrang dami namin fruits. So, walang nahanap na Disney Junior, pero ang meron ay Nick Junior. Pero dati meron ding Nick Junior tsaka Disney Junior. Pero ngayon wala na. Wala talaga. Hindi na namin mahanap. What?
Get that off the back too.
Muna siya din. Tawagan niya raw ako pag ready na siya. Tingnan natin kung tatawagan niya. Pero hintayin ko yung mga bata. Honey! Tawag ni Holly si Daddy. Daddy! I have to wait for the kids, honey. Okay? Don't load until the kids are here. Okay. Mawag na si Jan, guys, kanina lang. And ang usapan namin, di ba, pupunta kami sa shed ni Dad. Pero sabi niya ngayon sa akin, pagkadating ng mga bata, diretso raw kami sa boat ramp. Wala pa yung mga bata. So, di ko alam, sana maabutan natin si Jan sa paglo-load ng mga pot sa boat. Baba, are you ready? Nag-ano na siya. Oh, you're right?
Yes.
Okay. You're ready. Linagay niya na yung boots niya. And ako edit ako ng isa and uploading na siya kasi 3 araw din ako walang vlog. Dahil nga nag-renmark kami. Ha, Baba? So, where's Kuya's jumper? Get Kuya's jumper, please.
Why?
Because they need to change. Sorry, Baba. Kinuhaan ko yung mga bata ng jacket. Ang tagal, wala pa. 3:15 na. Andito na si Kuya. You told your friend you're gonna ride the bike?
Yeah.
But you're not, Kuya, because we're going to see Daddy. Hurry up, change. Where's Zachary?
He's coming.
Okay, andito na si Kuya. Si Isak wala pa. Hurry up. No, Kuya, just change your jumper. Hurry up, Zach. Andito na si Zach. Change. Come on. Yeah. Sinabihan nila yung mga kaibigan nila na magra-ride sila ng bike. Pero hindi na. Come on, Papa. Hurry up. We're going to see Daddy. Okay, let's go. Hurry up, Zach. Get in the car. Kumain siyang Yakult, tsaka what's the other one? Yogurt. Okay, go. Si Kuya nandun na sa car. Dito na kami, guys. Pero wala pa naman yung boat ni Jan. Pero mayroong isa na parang ilalagay na sa boat yard.
We don't know
Nasaan si
what
Johnny boy? We have to ring Daddy. Okay, I'll ring Daddy. Wait a second. Nasaan yung phone ko? Eh, nagdala ko ng orange juice, guys. Kasi yung mga bata, di ba, hindi naman sila nag-snack. Except kay Zach, uminom siya ng Yakult, tsaka may dala siyang yogurt. Si Kuya wala. Do you want orange juice, Kuya? Okay.
What? Wait, no.
No? No, thank you.
Awesome.
Okay, baby. Wait lang. We're gonna ring Daddy first. They're coming na daw. Hindi ko alam kung nasa shed sila or nasa dagat kasi wala pa yung boat. So, dadali nila yung boat dito sa boat ramp. What, kuya?
Wait, is Dad near his boat?
I'm not sure because when I said we're here
I'm having
and
fun.
he said they're coming and then he hung up.
His car's not here though.
Yeah, that's right. So maybe that's in the shed.
Yeah.
Pa's shed.
Shady.
Yeah, Pa's shed. Shake it, Baba. And give some for Holly. So hintayin lang muna namin si Jan. So baka nasa shed si Jan kasi wala rin yung car niya. Kasi kung nandito yung car niya,
You give it to Holly.
nasa ano siya, nasa dagat para kunin yung boat. Pero wala yung car niya dito.
Holly.
Okay, careful Baba ha. Andito na sila. So galing sila sa shed.
Hey! Hey, help me!
Oh, help Holly, boys. Help. Help.
Just stay there for a minute, I'll go get the boat.
Oh, Daddy's gonna get the boat. Come on, boys.
Daddy!
Sinama yung boys para kunin yung boat. Ito, hindi kasi sinama Baba kasi wala kang life.
Daddy!
Wala kang vest, Baba. Let's eat this one na lang, Baba.
No!
May dala akong piyaya.
want to.
Okay, Mami na lang.
I want Daddy!
Yeah, Daddy's coming, Baba. They're just gonna get the big boat, okay? Okay. Yung bigay sa akin ni Lai. Thanks, Lai. Ito yung original kasi merong isa yung ube. Ando na yung mga boys. Umiiyak siya kasi nakita niya yung mga kuyas niya. Andito na si Dad. Ah, sa amin ba yan? Yes, sa amin yan na pots. Merong tumutulong kila dyan. Dinala na yung pots ni Jan dito. Ando, no? Kagat muna tayo ng piyaya. Bye, Baba. It's alright. They're coming soon. They're just gonna get the big boat.
Oh, Daddy!
We're coming, Baba. Makalat lang siya sa car. Wait lang. Kumuha siya ng tissue. Why, Baba? Parang napapaus ako. You're pretty, Baba. Wala pa rin sila. Isa't kalahati na akong piyaya. Piyaya pala to, guys. From Bacolod. Thanks, Lai. Makalat lang siya ang kainin sa car. Kaya ganyan ko siya.
Daddy, now enjoy is that enjoy TJ.
Kanin mo ba? May dala ako ng ziplock.
Oh, Dad, what is this now? That's what, Daddy. What is this now?
They're coming soon, Baba.
And
Just
wait.
wait. Baba. Here, come on. Okay, wait for Mommy. Hoy, wait for Mommy. Come on here. Here.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, wait, dito lang muna tayo. Malayo. Malamig. Let's go. Sa mata mo ba? Ayan. Yan. Mahangin. Malamig yung hangin.
Let's go, TJ.
There, in the big boat. Si Tommy, ayun sila Kuya and Sak. Just wait. Sak! Oh my God! Ito si Sak talaga. Napaka-adventurous nitong batang to. You don't do that again, huh? I'm scared. I know you're not. Lamig, Sak. It's cold. Go to Daddy na. Go to Daddy.
The sun is coming up again, looking like it's gonna be a problem, 'cause I'd be lying to you. It's coming up again, looking like it's gonna be a problem.
Wait. Hi! Ang lamig doon. Balik pa sila sa shed. Kasi kukunin pa nila yung mga natirang pots. Kalat, Han. It's messy here.
Yeah, it's a work boat.
Ha?
It's a work boat, it's not a hotel. Clean it up later.
Tignan natin later. Ito ko kayo dito sa boat niya. Do you always use this chair, Han?
Yeah, when I sit down coming home or going out.
Okay, but when you go fishing, you're always outside? So pag nag-fishing siya,
Jamie's got to come and
Who?
fix that.
Who?
Jamie, look.
Jamie. Oh.
What happened?
What happened?
Float,
Float?
come around. Whack.
The float?
Yeah,
The big
it wouldn't
float?
kill me if it did.
Where were you?
I ran in the cabin, I ran in and went straight past me and
What?
hit right there.
The big one?
White float, come off the winch.
Oh.
How does this work?
Sabi niya, yung float daw, guys, tumama doon. Then, kaya ayan. Ito yung cost. Sobra yung grabe yung impact. Eh, nakatakbo raw siya dito sa loob. Napaka dangerous kaya ng trabaho niya. So, kasi pa nag-fishing siya, dyan siya lagi. Pero pag pauwi na raw, eto, dito siya, nagda-drive. Kasi, wala na, hindi naman siya kukuha ng pots. So, nakaupo lang daw siya, relax dyan.
Just sit on the towel.
Yeah, it stink. Smell it. Smell niya yung bum ko.
Yep.
Smell gas?
Yep.
See?
So that's on a brand new towel I put there.
That's right. So, may gasolina ang aking puwet, guys, dahil doon sa upuan. May towel naman akong linagay. Nilagay niya.
Zach,
Sak, what are you doing?
mucking around, eh?
Sak, don't!
Pull that up. Take the foot off.
Are you gonna be a fisherman, Sak? Do you wanna be a fisherman?
Yeah, look.
Huh? You gonna drive this?
Only don't touch.
Don't touch Baba.
Like TJ did and everything.
Yeah, si TJ nung bata. Ayan.
Push the hand control.
This one, yeah. Oo, tumakbo to. Buti na lang nakatakbo si Jan nung batang-bata pa to si TJ. Buti na lang talaga natakbo niya kasi umandar yung boat. Ha? I'm outside.
Dad,
Yeah.
not blue.
Sino to?
Yeah, like funny.
Ah, siya pala yung magfi-fix. Siya yung magfi-fix.
Could have hit right here, like it didn't hit that.
Yeah, it would have smashed that off.
But it must have hit that hard to press that.
I'd be feeling happy like it didn't hit you, Johnny, myself.
Well, if it had hit me, it would have crushed something. About elbow
Would
height.
have smashed it.
Yeah. It's happened that quick too.
Well,
So I just thought maybe, what do you reckon, better to put something there, just water and
what
that?
I'll do, I'll just go and get me a little sand and
Yeah.
take that edge off and I'll put a bit of flow. Put
Yeah.
the flow coat down there.
Yep.
Mom,
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm wiping the box first. Don't want much cracking that flow coat. I'll move a bit. I'll be back.
So he's the one gonna fix this, huh?
Mom, look at legs. I want to get
It's only one float, honey. One float. Cost this one. Look what Daddy found. Lollies.
No, I did. I saw the first it was from there. I saw it there. But it's not all blood.
Alright. Alright. Alright, Zach. Look at this
Yeah.
getting all greedy. Holly gets one, you get a handful.
No, it's what she did.
Tingnan daw natin yung camera. Ito yung camera, guys. Aray ko. Dito sa boat. Ayan, nakikita niyo si Kuya. Ayan si John.
Where's the camera? Hello!
Ayan si Johnny Boy. So, kitang-kita niya yung sa labas. Nakikita niya rin yung crew niya kung nasa boat pa. Kasi minsan, sobrang
under the boat.
yeah. Wait, babe. Yeah. Kasi sobrang, alam mo, yung mahangin ba?
Did you show me?
Mahangin. And tinitingnan niya lagi kung yung crew niya nandiyan pa sa likod. Tapos, ito yung engine, room. Ayan si Daddy. And meron dito pang isang malaking monitor. Ang dami kaya. Monitor. Tapos hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Tapos ayan. So hindi ko na yan alam. Siya ang may alam niyan. And eto meron dito. Ayan. Meron dito. Hindi ko alam guys kung ano ito. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo. Han, what's this for?
Okay, red one. Top one.
Daddy, what's this for?
This is what we do.
GPS.
GPS. Oh, etong GPS nila, guys. And this one, Tuhan, another GPS. Sounder. Ito na yung sounder, guys. Hindi ko lang ano yan. And makalat pa. Meron siyang sariling microwave.
Yeah, it's a
And
new microwave.
it's a new microwave. And meron siyang oven.
No, that's another microwave.
No, oven, kuya. It's an
I
oven.
thought that was microwave.
And meron siyang ref. You have to clean. No. Sabi niya, no, wag ko na buksan kasi moldy yung fridge. Pero, nilinisan niya raw yan. Ayan yung pang-spray niya doon. And, eto yung binili niya. Naalala nyo? Yung shoes. Pambugaw sa mga ibon kasi pag walang ganito, ang daming tae dyan sa roof. So, ayan, may couch. Couch ba yan? Basta yan. Mayroon siyang upuan dyan and table. And merong stairs pababa. And this is the bedroom. Ito raw ang bedroom, sabi ni Sak. So, pwede ka matulog dito. Pero hindi naman ito ginagamit ni Jan para matulog. And, I don't know kung ano yung mga yan. First aid. Oh, meron ditong first aid kit. Honey, what's those? What's that one?
Oh, life jackets.
Oh, ang dami ditong life jackets. So, ayan. And this one, Han, what's this here? Ayokong buksan yan. Pero may pintuan dyan. So, yan ang ating tour sa boat. Ayan na si Jan. Naglilinis na siya. Naglilinis. Eto, oh. Nililinis niya na yung fridge niya. Nahiya siya. Oh, honey. Oh, what's that? Cheese.
Here.
Give it to daddy, Nako. Hold this, oh. Give it to daddy. So, yan. Tapos, marami ditong mga, ayan. Laging sinasabi ni Jen sa mga bata pag pumupunta dito, huwag nyo tong gagalawin. Ayan. Wala. Hindi naman nila to ginagalaw. Except lang doon sa labas si Kuya dati.
Hold on to the deck.
Ayan
Not on
yung
the boat.
camera para makita niya kung anong nangyayari sa likod niya. Ayoko na pumunta doon sa harapan. Kasi pwede ka naman dito mag... And meron siyang mga cabinets dito. Huwag na natin buksan. And meron ditong TV. How are you, Sak?
Look.
Good.
Look, you're not here.
What are you doing? Sak?
No, he's kind of like that thing on.
And settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon.
Arte-arte niya. Ano ka, model ng boat?
This is machine.
Okay. Ayan po siya, oh. Nililinis niya yung fridge. And, labas tayo. So, eto yung sa labas. Dito nila ginagawa. Hindi ko alam, basta dito raw nila. I don't know. What do you do here, Han? Dito raw nila pinupul yung pots. And, yeah. Hindi ko alam, basta yan. Diyan daw pinupul yung pots. And, eto, dito yung engine. Huwag na natin buksan. Nandiyan yung engine. And, eto yung toilet. May mga nagbabike. Wala pa rin yung tatlong kumuha ng pots. What are you doing there, Baba? In the basement, Baba? Come here. Oh, just be careful, huh? Where? Baba! Ano, Han? Ayan, naglinis na siya. So, buksan natin. Wala naman tong laman. Basta yan yung fridge niya. May freezer. Walang laman. Pero naglalagay siya dyan ng tubig tsaka coffee niya. Just be careful, please. Dito na yung mag-fix ng ano niya dyan. Yun, pinifix niya na, oh. Nautusan si Sak. Nahihilo talaga ako. Aren't you dizzy, Sak? Are you dizzy? You're dizzy?
Yes.
Just sit down. Nahihilo ako kasi gumaganong-ganon ba ang boat ko. Yes! Come on.
Four.
Just wait, just wait.
You see, Mom?
You're welcome. Nandito na yung ibang pots. And nakasarado yung aming pintuan dito guys. Kasi nga, inaayos yun. Oh. May tape na siyang linagay. So dito na lang tayo. And meron palang isang kaibigan na dumating sa dyan. Ano?
I love you.
I love you too. Nakita niyo kumakain si daddy niya ng lollies kasi binigyan ng friend. Ayun yung snake. Yes, son. Hi, Mods! Tinatawag siya ng daddy niya. Go, Papa!
Thanks, Mode.
Jesus, binigyan siya ng snake. Yum!
From here.
So, merong isang tutulong.
And settle back down at sunrise.
Come on, Baba, here. Ayan. And siya, dito naman.
Did you catch anything, Nathan?
Ayoko magtanong, nahihiya ako. Ganda dito guys, kasi as in tulungan talaga sila.
Should be in the backyard out there, not
That's right, you're right.
not out here smelling that.
Well, if you weren't fucking staying home, should we kept going fishing? What have we done?
Maamoy siya guys, yung linalagay niya. Sobrang maamoy. Pinturang hindi, ewan ko, basta maamoy siya. I love you too, Baba. So diba, lahat busy, lahat may ganap sila. Si Kuya nagpa-plaster.
100.
That's strong, Han.
Right?
That's strong.
Oh, it's good smell, isn't it?
No. What beautiful, Han. It's not.
Smells like money, doesn't it?
Ano? Ano?
Smells like money, mate.
Smell like money. Sabi niya, smell like money.
So let me sit me talking.
Puno na kasi. Nakaano na ako guys. Nakatungtong ako dito sa may pintuan.
Be careful there.
I am, Baba. What's that for?
Bake baskets.
Ah, baked basket. Okay.
Well,
Okay.
that sugar, I just put it across in the middle.
And yan, dyan tinutusok yung bait. Yan, tinutusok yung bait, tapos doon yung basket. Yan yung ginagawa ni Dad nung na-vlog ko yun.
Learn this.
I'll go and camp for a week. Go out, bloody fine fizzle and bloody frilly. Straight on them.
Should be a drive for you.
Tapos. Thank you.
Okay.
Boat tayo dito. Medyo mataas siya ha. May ano ba yan? Apakang bato. Baka maputol ko yung... Parang ang layo naman. Tingnan nyo, ang layo ng... Diba? Ano siya ganito? Tapos ganito ang itsura mo. Oh. Bakit kaya dito sa likod? Ganyan guys. Ewan ko kung na... adjust to. Siguro adjust to upo. Kasi sobrang taas kaya. Ah, dapat mataas kasi para makita mo doon. Oh. So, paano ganito? Ang hirap naman pala ng ano niya. So, kung ganito kataas yung upuan, ganun siya magdadrive. Tanong ko mamaya. Kasi parang ang sakit nito sa likod. Sakit kaya ito sa likod. Tingnan nyo guys. Or binababa niya. Pero kung nakababa itong upuan, hindi niya makikita yung yung dagat kasi mataas. I'm not sure.
Mom, why are you up there?
Huh?
Why are you up there?
Because I'm gonna drive the boat.
Why? No, you know.
Why not? I know how to drive the boat.
Mom, you don't have boat lessons.
No, I don't.
You need to have boat lessons.
Ano pa yung feeling pag-drive ng boat dito? Kasi ang lalakas kaya daw minsan ng alon. Ito nga, wala masyadong alon. Parang
Mom,
ginagano
you
na
need
yung
boat lessons.
boat. I'm not gonna get boat license, kuya, because hindi ko pinangarap ang mag-drive ng boat. Dito pa lang, hirap na ako sa manibela, tas ganitong posisyon mo. No. Ang hirap ng work na to. Tapos pagbababa ka, tingnan nyo, ang layo kaya ng floor. Ayan, oh. So, kailangan nakaganito ka. Dapat nakaapa ka muna dyan bago ka bababa. Diba? Mataas. Tanong ko mamaya si Jan. Tanongin natin si Jan. Do you drive like that high? The chair? Like that? How?
Yeah, but when I sit on it, it goes down. It's compressed.
What?
When I hit a wave and go down, the seat will go
Oh. So, and then, okay, can you do the, so you're like that all the time? Stand up?
Sometimes he stands up.
So, gano'n na talaga siya, guys. Kasi, is this a spring, ha?
Yeah.
May spring. Tapos, pag may, ano daw, pag may alon, nagbabounce lang daw. Pero, ganyan na talaga, kataas daw ang kanya, ang upuan. So, di ba ang hirap? So, like that, ha? Like kay kuya? Look, like that? Di ba?
You'll be able to see.
That's right. So, kailangan ganito kataas para makita mo yung mga kapaligiran mo. And, nagbabounce lang pala to pag maalon.
Oh my
So,
God!
nagaganon. So, masakit kaya yan sa likod. Ha? I know.
But on the way back,
Gusto nila sumama kay dad. Sa kay Jan pa.
she's gonna.
Papunta doon kung saan niya ito ipapark na boat. Then, dadalhin nila yung dinghy, yung maliit boat pabalik dito. Bless you, kuya. Yan, bumalik yung nag-aayos dito. Oh. Ayan yung amateur boat ni dad. Kaya pala dala niya yung boat kasi nasa bahay nila yan doon sa maliit niyang shed. So ngayon, ibabalik niya yan doon sa malaking shed kasi wala nang pots doon sa kung saan siya talaga laging nakapark yung amateur boat ni dad. Ito na ang itsura sa likod. Puno na siya ng pots. Ayan, si kuya yung nag-aayos doon. Ayan, linalagyan niya na sabi niya dyan, hindi raw to pintura, hindi ko alam, basta sabi niya white stuff. Kasi sa pag winter, ipapa-repaint niya raw tong lahat. Pagtapos na talaga siya mag-fishing. During winter, gagawin yung pag-repaint. So, temporary lang daw yan muna. Okay na siya, diba? Kaysa kanina. And hindi ko to sa inyo napakita. Meron pala dito parang ano, ewan ko, walkie-talkie or radyo. And meron din dito isa. Ayan. Ayan, tapos na guys. Come on, we're going, Baba. Come on. Ako muna. Bye! Say see you, Daddy! Magluluto na tayo, honey. Ha? Ayun na yung boat, guys. Umalis na sila. Kasama yung dalawang boys. Bye na kami ni Holly. And 5:25 na pala, guys. So, ngayon pala magluluto. Ito yung dinner namin nga. Yung sausages. And magluluto ako mashed potato para kay Jen. And then rice para sa mga bata.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall ahead.
Nandito na pala yung mga boys. Si Jan nakapag-shower na yung boys. Kuya? Yung mga boys din nasa shower na. And luto na pala yung aking sausages. And eto yung mashed potato. Ongoing pa siya. And maglalagay ako ng gravy. Eto yung gravy na binili namin sa Renmark. So maglalagay ako ng gravy sa aking sausages. So, ito na yung sausages with gravy. Yung gravy na nabili namin kahapon sa Renmark. Okay na to. So, kanina nagluto ako ng onions. Inano ko siya, caramelize. Ayan si Sak. Kanina pa siya tikim ng tikim. Ito na yung akin, guys. Luto na yung dinner namin. And ito yung kay Sak. Ayaw niya ng rice. Gusto niya mashed potato and veggies and yan. Yung sausages with gravy and onions. Ito yung kay Jan. And of course, kay Kuya TJ. Okay, Daddy, it's ready. Ito kay Holly. Okay, let's eat. Kaya muna kami, guys. Ando na yung kay Daddy. Dinala na ni Sak. Thanks, Sak. Baba. Kay ano, Baba? Kay Holly na.
Holly, you're home now, sweetie.
What did you say? A little bit of rice. How is it, Anne? Here's Sak. Welcome. Kain muna kami, guys. Tapos na kami kumain ng dinner, guys. Put that one in the sink, please. So, ito yung binili namin kahapon sa Renmark. Yung peach. Na nasa jar na meron siyang syrup. Oh. May konting tira ng sausages, guys. O, ayun. Ipalaman ko to sa tinapay para lunch ng mga bata bukas.
I have that one.
Si Sak, kinuha niya na yung Milo. Kasi si Sak gustong-gusto niya ang Milo on top.
Can't get the hands around it.
Hindi niya mabuksan. I have that thing there, Han. Ayan, pinagamit ko kay dyan yung pang bukas sa
I don't want
jar.
that one. I just did it.
See?
I want that one.
Nice. And si Sak, ayan.
Zach, TJ having this?
That's too much, Saki boy.
Huh?
Milo sa kanya. Ayaw niya yung peach. How about you, Baba? What do you want?
Can you please put this away, please?
Baba, you want Milo or peach? Milo?
Yeah, three, please.
Okay, Baba. Ayan na yung kay Kuya.
on.
Frozen?
Yeah, movies on it. Is it Frozen?
Frozen movie? I don't think so. That's half of peach, right, huh? Yeah. That's enough, honey. That's too much. May syrup siya, guys. Wow. Okay. I-close ko na yung vlog, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Thank you. Good night, Han. Good night. I-try ko daw, sabi ni Jan. Tama siya. Nice. Masarap. Masarap nga. Sabi niya kasi. It's nice. Sabi niya, i-try ko. Masarap siya, guys. Matamis yung ano, yung peach. So, see you na ulit. Bye, guys. Totoo na to.